it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts, stamping up demonstrator based in the UK, filming the day after I got back from New Orleans. So, words are still hard. I'm sorry. Anyway, I came back to a huge box full of the Love This Memory Notebook Kit, which is something that I am gifting my team, my first level team, as a way of saying thank you for all their support this year. Every now and again I'll send them something. It's not a guarantee that I'll ever send them anything, but every now and again I do just like to say thank you to them. So why don't we unbox one? Let me flip the camera down, and here we are. I'm gonna have to order some more, I tell you, because I suddenly realised I only ordered one for me and I need more than one. So let us open the box. It's quite heavy. Let me just start by saying that. So, and now I know why. Right, so we've got a Parakeet Party ink spot. Those always go in a drawer that I keep all my ink spots, so that if I need them when I'm going away, I've got them. We've got a stamp set with, let's see, Love This, The Best, Yay, Shake It Off, Just Enjoying, It's a Good Day, Life is Cool, Shine On, Smile Every Day, High Five, Start Somewhere, and Beautiful, as well as a smiley face, an arrow, a flower, a heart, a starburst, a squiggle. Really lovely. For a memory keeping book, that's going to be awesome. Right. Snips. Let's grab some snips. That'll be the easiest way to break in. So these were launched in North America before they were launched in fact, I think North America and the South Pacific. They've literally only in the last couple of weeks, probably only the last week, arrived in Europe. So you may have seen lots of videos on this, but from Europeans, not so much. They always include words really are hard. They always include a block if they have a stamp set with the kit. So this will go in my set of blocks as well. We have got some tear and tape. Really nice chunky lot of tear and tape. This looks iridescent, but it's washi tape, and yes it is, it's iridescent. I'm going to sneeze, just saying. Excuse me one moment. Ooh. Oh dear. Sorry about that. My nose my nose doesn't like aeroplanes much. Just saying. Right, so let's start at the bottom. We have the instructions. So basically it's, anything goes, but they've given you basically, she says twice, what they've done is they've given some ideas. You don't have to follow these, obviously, but there are some ideas. So let's have a look at what's included in the kit. Obviously, there is a book, and it's good quality. Listen, that's good quality. Then we've got lots of pages that have been stitched in, and they've got dots rather than lines, so it's dotty. Then we have 2 sets of alphabet stickers in black, and there's a thought. Colours. Actually, let's pop that in the base, because that needs to be in the base. So the colours included are Basic Black, Flirty Flamingo, Mango Melody, Parakeet Party, obviously, Pumpkin Pie, and Tahitian Tide. So this is black. I just wanted to check it wasn't early espresso, purely because it's been laser cut, so there's a slightly brown edge, but 2 lots of alphas with lots of vowels, which is always useful. And they've also got some of the letters that aren't in the classic alphabet. So C's with cedillas, etc. Lots of numbers, dots, dashes, so you can put on your accents. There's lots of space for accents, so umlauts, etc. Arrows, asterisk, and question mark, exclamation mark. So lots of useful stickers. Then die cuts, 2 sheets, and these are thick. Oh, because they're stickers. These are stickers. No, they'll go that way out, wouldn't they? Do those marry up? They do. So those flowers marry up. Do they say that in the instructions? Do they? Not so as you'd notice, but it looks to me like you can stamp your flower onto one of these flower die cuts. Or if not, pretty close. You could certainly colour these with blends. And then we've got small flowers and then blobs and speech bubbles and things. So that's those. Then, oh, so bright, so lovely. So chevrons, hearts, labels, squiggy labels, tabs. More. So smiley face, hearts, black chevrons and tabs, hearts, flowers, more flowers. Iridescent of those. Whoa, that is sparkly. So iridescent bits, including these are fun. Right, now, so these are 3 squiggles, but if you cut up here, you get an extra 2, because this comes up and this comes up, but then there's the bit that's left, so you could actually get 5 really easily. Just saying. So these are just little cards. I'm thinking 2 by 2. Yep, 2 by 2. More, but they're all different. Then we've got a pocket, which has got sticky on the back, so you can stick it into your book. 6 by 4, I'm thinking. Or 4 by 6, I suppose. Yep, 4 by 6. They are single-sided, so you don't have to choose. 4 single-sided 4 by 6. These are also words are hard. Single-sided. So again, no need to choose. Starburst, stripes, hearts, squiggles, smiley face, polka dot, more stripes, flowers. Wow. Wow. So I am going to be using this for probably just one day of backstage. I went out on a hop-on, hop-off bus with fellow UK demonstrator Trisha Smith, and we were together for most of the day, so I've got lots and lots of photographs just from that day, and I think this I'm going to use for that, but I'm going to need more of these. I'm going to be ordering a few more of these, so because I just love a memory book. I will be starting to do some full-size scrapbooking. I know I keep saying it, but I will, because I've got lots of photos from backstage. So I need to, in fact, I could also use one of these for the Mardi Gras second line that was part of the party at the end of the event. So I definitely need at least one more of these, possibly a few more. I may also see if I can work out how to make one. As in make one from Stampin' Up supplies, so keep your eyes peeled for that. The key is going to be to get a really nice card base and then to do the stitching. I'm going to have to get into that. that may take a little longer. Anyway, thank you very much indeed for watching my unboxing. And I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Let me just flip the camera up properly. So if you don't already subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can do that in the bottom right hand corner. Also, think about subscribing to my Instagram account because I have all sorts of fun going on over there, which isn't on here. Let me just give you my Instagram name, which has eluded me temporarily. So it's one word, Liz Yuille, Lizyuille, _ one word, Old Stables Crafts _ so Liz Yuille _ Old Stables Crafts _ and those two lots of letters are all one word each. So yes, do go and have a look at me on Instagram, where I share madness, some card making tutorials, and occasionally a cat or two, because they just sneak in every now and again and take over my Instagram account. So thank you very much indeed for watching. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and I'll look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye for now.